think मेरी presence ही काफ़ी है. I'm joking. But I guess it's too early to speak about choreography and speak about what the act is going to be. But I'm sure that it'll be fantastic because we have great choreographers on board, Vinod Samit, and I usually otherwise also perform with them. So I have a rapport. बहुत ज़्यादा entertainment तो definitely होगा because अगर आप stage पे आके कुछ ना करें और सिर्फ ऐसे हाथ हिलाएं तो it won't be enough. And I love to dance. तो मैं जब भी stage पे आती हूँ, I make sure that the act has a lot of dancing and a lot of entertainment. And because it's New Year's, it has to have a lot of interaction with the crowd, and the crowd has to be involved with you because they're all partying along with you. So entertainment बहुत ज़्यादा होगा for sure. And they are quite long acts. They are going to be 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes each. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा interaction होगा. Full on entertainment. What the act will be, it's too early to speak about it. No, there will be a blend of my songs and everything that the audience wants to hear because all the latest tracks will be in it. So सभी हम जो perform करेंगे, they will all be the latest hits also, I guess.
Well, I have been a little superstitious all through my career. I don't like to talk about things before they materialize and are on floor. And even now I think I am a little superstitious. But well, coming to resolutions, New Year's resolutions, I think it's still too early. I'm still going to decide. We have another couple of months left, and I think by December 31st I'll be sure what I want to do for the next year.
I am not superstitious at all. I'm a believer, so I believe in the one above. I don't think छोटी मोटी चीज़ें affect करती है. जो आपके नसीब में होगा वो ज़रूर लिखा गया है तो वो ज़रूर होगा. एंड रेजोल्यूशन मैं कभी बनाती नहीं बिकॉज इंसान रेजोल्यूशन के बेसिस पे नहीं जीता. आई थिंक जो उसे डिसाइड करना है वो वैसे ही कदम से कदम डिसाइड करता रहता है. आई डोंट मेक रेजोल्यूशंस एवर.
वेल मैं सुपरस्टिशियस बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ और शायद इसीलिए मुझे जय हो मिली. और अगर मैं like Gauhar said that even I am a believer. I believe in things. I believe in manifesting things actually. So for me everything is driven on the talent and also आपका नसीब बहुत बड़ा एक पार्ट प्ले करता है अपने लाइफ के अंदर. तो वही एक है. एंड अगेन व्हेन आई कम टू रेजोल्यूशन, सभी बनाते हैं पर कोई फॉलो नहीं करता. तो मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं बनाती रेजोल्यूशंस.
I don't think I have any such superstition. I think मैं generally एक बहुत positive लड़की हूँ. I have very strong faith and very strong belief. I think there's one thing that maybe everybody here believes in and probably doesn't talk about, and that's probably बुरी नज़र. और वो हर किसी को भी लगती है. Doesn't matter which career you're in, and that's just there's lots of people who don't wish well for you. That just exists generally. But I'm not superstitious. जहाँ तक resolutions का सवाल है, I actually don't keep just New Year's resolutions. I have goals for myself. और पिछले साल मैंने कहा था कि in the next 1 year I'm gonna challenge myself to do things I didn't think I'd be able to do, and that in the form of Jhalak. And I was doing all kinds of things that I never thought I'll be able to do. तो वो हुआ. अभी देखते हैं next year क्या होगा. And please ये जो microphone देख रहे हैं, please इसको ठीक कीजिए.
It's too early for me to talk about any projects right now. क्योंकि मेरे खुद के पास रिटर्न में कुछ नहीं है. whatever जो भी confirmations है वो सारे verbal है. So once the things are confirmed to me, I can let you guys know about it. But let's see. My fingers are crossed. I'm hoping for the best, and I'm actually dying to tell you guys what my next project will be.